Hello everyone, welcome back to InfoScience. Today, let's discuss about the third phylum of the non-chordates, that is the phylum Ctenophora. So the Ctenophora are commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies. These are marine, solitary and free swimming. The body is transparent and exhibit a biradial symmetry. These are acoelomate, that means they have no body cavity, but they exhibit a cell tissue grade of organization. Now, let us know about the cell organization. So, Ctenophora are diploblastic. The body wall has two layers. The outer layer is known as the epidermis and the inner layer is known as the gastodermis. So this epidermis is made up of two layers. The outer epidermis, it makes the outer covering of the body. So they are the sensory and the mucus secreting cells, and these mucus secreting cells have some spatial cells, so which are present in the specific areas like the tentacles. So those cells are known as the colloblasts. So these colloblast cells are adhesive, that means they have the capacity to capture food. But the inner epidermis has some cells which are called the myoepithelial cells, which functions like the muscles, but they are not the muscle cells. They have the function of the contraction, and they also have some nervous cells. So the nervous system in the Ctenophora is not well developed, but they have the sensory fibers distributed in the nervous system. The inner layer is known as the gastodermis, and this gastodermis, it gives rise to the canals to various parts like the comb plates, tentacles, and the inner cells of the gastodermis are long. They act as the storage cells, germ cells, so which produce the gonads, and have spatial cells known as photocells, which shows the bioluminescence. So this is one of the important characteristics of Ctenophora. Now, let us know about the digestive system of Ctenophora. So, the Ctenophora, its digestive system consists of the mouth, stomachium, complex gastrovascular canals, and two arboreal canal pores. And the locomotion in the Ctenophora, they have the 8 vertical rows of comb plates which are fused with the cilia for the locomotion. So that's why this Ctenophora, they are known as the comb jellies. So here the cilia shows the 9+3 arrangement. So this is the another important characteristics of the Ctenophora. Next is the reproduction. So the reproduction in the Ctenophora, they exhibit the sexual reproduction, and they are hermaphrodite. That means they have both male and female sex organs. Now, let us know about the classification of Ctenophora. So Ctenophora is categorized into two classes, Tentaculata and Nuda. So in Tentaculata, the ctenophores have two long arboreal tentacles. Example, velamen. And in class Nota, the ctenophores, they don't have any tentacles. Example, Barrow.